already planned out where the couch is gonna be. Maybe have like a little ball pit moment. These sinks are really odd. I think maybe I'm gonna put a piano here though. Yes, I do the cooking and yes, I do the cleaning. Pause before this video starts. I just want to let you know that I'm posting almost every single day on this channel, so make sure to subscribe. Like, I'm being so serious. Subscribe so that I show up on your homepage and you can click every single video every single day and turn my post notifications on. But yeah, let's just get started into the video. Shut up, you're so annoying.
They ask you how you are and you just have to say that you're fine.
Hey, it's Can you come here? Hey, it's maiphammy here and welcome to my MTV Caribs tour. But this time it's in Los Angeles. I know I've done probably about 3 of these in Canada now, but a girlie lives in Los Angeles now, so welcome. Hi, if you don't know who I am, my name is maiphammy and I just turned 18 and I just moved to LA from Canada. Yes, I left Canada for LA. Don't yell at me and don't ask why. Just kidding, I have a video link down in the description box if you're wondering. Okay, the house is kind of messy right now, but don't mind it, okay? So first, this is what you see when you walk in. Honestly, don't know what we're gonna do with this. Maybe put some shelves up in here for a little bit of storage. Over here, you know, we got a little doggy door that doesn't actually work though because Sterling is literally like 2 pounds and can't push this open, but you know, we have a doggy door. We have a whole bunch of packages here, some garbage. You know the vibe. These doors though, can we talk about them? They're literally like 11 feet tall. Like, I'm not joking. Like, these are huge doors. But, you know, we get the water heater, if you guys even care. A washer and dryer, in-unit laundry. Follow me up the stairs. So these stairs, hopefully Sterling doesn't fall through them and kill himself, but you never know. He did it at the last house. All right, so when you first walk in, to the left, you have this really weird area, which I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Maybe have like a little ball pit moment, you know, just like, can you imagine just like a ball pit here? Let me know down in the comments what you think I should do with this area. But for now, I don't really know, but the ball pit idea is really growing on me. Don't know what to do with this space either. Help me out, please. Then we got these huge windows when you walk in. Literally, the whole wall is windows. And it's super nice. This is like a little overview. Oh, this looks so ugly, I'm so sorry. But you know, we got a little console where I'm gonna put a TV here, but like a mount on the wall that like pulls out so that it can like come out to here, which will be super cute. And I just love how much like there's a lot of storage built in already. But I want to put like a huge 7-foot mirror right here because I feel like it would fill up the space so well and just like make it look so much bigger than it actually is. And then also here, there's like a piece of drywall, so I want to put a mirror here, and then there's also another piece right here that I want to... Sterling, can you shut up for 2 seconds? Anyways, and then you open this up. Oh, there you go. You open it up and wow, I did not know it looked like this. Again, lots of storage. Sterling! Just kidding, baby. Before we get into this video even more, I just want to say thank you so much for watching these videos, because if you didn't, I literally would not be living in here right now. So make sure to comment something down below because I will actually try to read every single one of your comments. I already do, but I'm gonna try extra this time to give every single one a little like and try to respond to some of them. So yeah, make sure to comment something down below. Love you. Okay, again, lots of storage down here. I'm excited. You know, I already planned out where the couch is gonna be and driving my ass to Vegas on Monday, 4 hours in a pickup truck to pick up a couch to go all the way along here because I just want to like be able to entertain and have friends over. Then this is the kitchen. I already planned out like the dining room table right here, so it should be pretty cute, but it looks like a mess right now. I'm sorry. Oh, do you like my boots though? I just bought them off of Shein because I really wanted the Prada ones, but the Prada ones were $2,000 and these were only $40. These boots are made for walking. That's just what I do. Anyways, so we have this really big, nice sink here where I'll be doing all the dishes because yes, I do the cooking and yes, I do the cleaning. Just kidding, only 7 times. But it also has a carburetor, which is so cool. 10 out of 10. You know, you can put some towels here to dry. Love this though. This is where we'll put the glasses and the plates. So cute. Like, this is super cool. And this is like a rich person sink. Like, you know, like, doesn't this look like a rich person sink? Like, it's not a regular sink. Like, this is like a rich person sink. It's so cool. And also the fact that this house has a washer. Oopsies, not a washer. A dishwasher is amazing. It's like stainless steel appliances. That's so cool. Like, the fact that this fridge isn't white amazes me.
That's normal.
What?
Stainless steel appliances? I've never not had stainless steel appliances.
You've never not had like a white fridge?
Like when I was maybe like 12 and they were in.
No, but stainless steel appliances are expensive.
What? That's everyone.
No, not everyone has that. Comment down below if you have stainless steel everything. Anyway, sorry that I'm amazed by this. And the fact that there's water coming out of here is amazing. These bars, holy shit, I love these bars on this fridge. Like, it's so pretty. Like, the fact that it's not like rounded is so pretty to me. Wow, I love this fridge. Don't you love this fridge?
I mean, it's a fridge, but yeah, it's great.
Sorry that I just love it, okay? Oh my god, and then I want to get a bunch of plants, like pothos plants, and put them here and like have them vines because there's skylights all the way on the ceilings, which is so freaking cool. There's like so much natural light coming in. It's just like under the sink. Wow! I didn't see this! That is so cool. Do you see this hood fan? This is so cool. Like, this is like the smallest, like most compact. Does it even work?
We should call about that.
Yeah, probably. Let me quickly write that down. What the fuck? Anyways, cute little oven, more drawers. That is so convenient. Anyways, look at this pantry. Oh, I have to buy a microwave to put here as well. But look at this pantry. Isn't that so cool? Do you find that cool?
No, yeah, I do like these. These are cool.
Right? Like, I'm not acting amazed, like I am amazed. Like, it's just so easy to find things. It's just like, oh, I see the sugar. So yeah, and then we have this little nook here where I think we're gonna put like really cute, collectible, exclusive, Kulani exclusive.com alcohol and maybe like a little bar cart.
What about a mini fridge too?
A mini fridge with a bar cart, especially just for the alcohol. So good. I think maybe I'm gonna put a piano here though, because I need a space to put it. I think I'm gonna put one right here. I think that'd be a good space, but let's, oh, I forgot to mention. Look at this. I didn't notice this until like a week ago, but.
There's light, there's like a spotlight.
Wow! That is gonna look so magnificent. Then over here, hold on, you thought you've seen it all? Wrong way. These windows just open. They're gonna add glass here so that Sterling doesn't kill himself, but it's just so beautiful. There are so many trees, and it's the fact that when the sun goes down even more, the trees cover it so it doesn't get like too hot during the day. It's just perfect. You can hear the birds. So pretty. I'm trying not to break it. I paid a lot of money for the security deposit. Boom. All right, follow me. So you're like, where are all the rooms? This is so confusing. Down this hallway. So down this hallway, I want to get a bunch of IKEA frames like I have in my last house and put them all down here and like have huge frames of like our favorite artists or something, or like their concert posters. I think that would look so cool and fill up this wall very well. I'm just grateful that this house doesn't have a lot of wall space, so I don't have to worry about decorating that, because that's like the most difficult thing to do. All right, so this first room in here is Alyssa Kulani's room. If you don't know who Alyssa Kulani is, she's this girl from Calgary. She's a little bit spicy. She does Twitch streams. She also does YouTube. She does it all. Anyway, so this is where she resides. Oh my gosh. Also, I know this might sound crazy, but the fact that these doors are one tall but heavy as well, like it's like not like a hollow door, is crazy to me. Like, this is quality. Like, to me, you know the quality of a house by their doors. I know I sound stupid, but like, it's true. Like, do you see that? Like, it doesn't just like push really easily. Like, you need to like give it some effort. Okay, anyway, so come in here. This is where we kind of planned it out. I don't know if it's gonna happen, but I think she's gonna put her bed right here, and it's gonna look super cute. I love how like it's a little nook. It looks like it's made for the bed, so that if someone like walks in, they're like, ooh, where's Alyssa? They're not like, there's Alyssa. They're like, there's Alyssa. Like, they have to turn her head. And I think she's gonna have her streaming set up here, which is super cool. And then she'll have the background there, maybe a little mirror here. But something that's really cool about these windows is you can open it like this, right? Or you can open it like this. Wow. All right, so then over here is a Jack and Jill bathroom. So this is Alyssa's bathroom and maybe the main bathroom. I don't really know yet. But these sinks are really odd. Like, why is it little fishbowl? It looks like we're in an airplane. So cute little mirror. We have Alyssa over here. Say hi. And we got the toilet right in the middle. I don't know, this is just like an odd bathroom, but it's cute, I guess. Over here we have a bathtub where Alyssa will be taking all of her daily baths because the bitch don't shower. But, you know, there's that shower head, and then she's also got a detached shower head. Anyway, so we have some skylights up in here as well. Lots of natural light, you know what I mean? I love skylights. Anyway, so then this is like the filming room, the closet room. So this is where I'm gonna have my clothing rack and like have a bunch of my clothes because I want to do a lot more fashion videos, and also want to have like a little corner to film at. But I have all my lights in here and stuff like that. There's a lot of windows, so like natural light coming in. But I bought like a huge 7-foot clothing rack so that it can like hold all the clothes possible, even though I probably won't even fill it up. But like, you know what I mean? Like I want like just like a YouTube room. This is Alyssa's closet though. It's really big. She's got 2 clothing racks here, a lot of storage up there, and then over here there's a dresser, which is super nice for like maybe pants or something. And then she has another rack here. But yeah, I'm really excited. But the thing that sucks about this is that the whole floor is concrete, so you need rugs or else the sound bounces so much. Then over here, oh, also this wall has some storage as well, which is super cool. I think I'm gonna store like my lights and stuff in here. Over here is my room, come on in. You know, nice big windows. I think I either want to put my bed this way or this way and then have my TV there, but super exciting. Maybe a big mirror here. I don't know. A lot of people say feng shui or whatever, you're gonna open up another portal, but in my other room, I literally had 7 mirrors and I wasn't possessed, so I think I'm fine, but like knock on wood, even though there's no wood in this house. Down this little hallway, we have my closet. I don't really know how I'm gonna separate it. I think maybe like all of my newer clothes in there that like I wanna do a lot of pictures with and stuff like that, and then the rest of my clothes in here, but I don't even know how that's gonna work out. To be honest, there's like a lot of space in this house, and I don't need it all, but we got this house for a really good price, like split between the 2 of us. Then there's this mirror here, you know, just for like outfit pics. Follow the Instagram. And then over here, we have the, no, I'm not gonna show you. I need to flush this toilet. So then over here we have my bathroom, but the catch is, this motherfucker keeps barking. So the catch is I'm a little too short for this mirror, so I have to buy another one and put it here because I can barely see my face or anything in this mirror. So, Starlet! Okay, anyways. I just want to get like an arch one and put it here as well, so I don't have to sit on the counter every time I want to do my makeup. But this is just like a weirdly, oddly high like countertop. I just don't get it, but big sinks. Love it. 2 sinks for my lonely ass. Lots of storage, which was super good. So I love how many drawers there are here. And lighting. There's also a window here, so that whenever like you're taking a steamy hot shower, you can open the window so all the steam can head out that way. We have this bathtub. This is actually a really big bathtub, goddamn. Even though I don't take baths and only Alyssa does.
I'll be in here.
Okay. But in here we have a little spider that's dead. No. A little spider. Super cute, super fun, just adds a little bit of flavor, a little bit of spice into your bath. Let's see. She's a squirter. We got some towel racks here, lots of towel racks for as many towels as you need. We got a little window just in case someone wants to see me naked. And then we have a little toilet here that I just flushed. All right, anyways, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching this video and just supporting me, because I don't think y'all realize when I say that I wouldn't have this house without you. Like, I dead ass mean it. Like, the fact that you're watching this video is paying the rent for this house. So I want to make sure that I thank you guys. So make sure to definitely comment something down below, because I will like every single one of my comments. Like, I'm not even joking. I'm literally gonna go on my phone and read my comments all day once this video is up. And follow my Instagram, DM me. I'll try to DM you back. Like, I'll try to DM as many people back as I possibly can. Follow my Instagram also, because I put on my stories like little countdowns for whenever my videos are. I post 3 times a week. I'm gonna try to post every single day, but 3 times a week for sure. But yeah, until next time, peace.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my breath, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her.